Hi, in today's video we're going to talk about life insurance. What is life insurance exactly? Stay tuned. You know, you've heard life insurance, you've heard term life insurance, you've heard whole life insurance, you've heard life insurance like, oh my gosh, enough about life insurance. But what is life insurance at its core? What does it mean? What is it used for? How do the insurance companies make money on it when you're paying such a small amount and then they're going to turn around and pay out such a large amount? How do they decide who to insure and who not to insure? I'll answer all of those questions and more coming up next. So what is life insurance? Well, what is insurance for that matter? Insurance at its most fundamental level is a concept where you share your risk with the insurance company, and in turn, the insurance company shares that exposure or that risk with you. You pay your premium, and the insurance company promises you in the event that something happens, based on the policy type, they're going to basically pay money out for you. Let's look at your car. If you're insuring your car, you're paying a premium. In the event the car is stolen, the insurance company will pay for a new car, or something to that effect. So you're paying a small amount to potentially get a large amount of money. Life insurance works the same way. You pay a premium to the insurance company, and when you die, the insurance company pays out a large lump sum of money to your beneficiaries. What's happening with your money in that interim period? The insurance company takes your money and invests it. You might pay them $1,000. They invest that along with the $1,000 they've received from everybody else, from their thousands of policyholders, from their millions of policyholders. And now they have a large pool of money to go and invest. Now that the insurance company has this large pool of money to invest, they have money to pay out in death benefit. So when you die, there's plenty of money in that pool of money to pay out as a death benefit. Now, what would happen if everybody died all at once? What if there were lots of death benefit claims to be paid all at once? The insurance company would have a much smaller amount of money left to invest. That's one of the reasons why it's important to be sure you pick a life insurance company that has a lot of money. How does an insurance company decide whether they're going to insure you or not insure you? This is a very good question and a very fundamental question at that. Every life insurance company has their own guidelines, their own rules, their own underwriting, it's called. What is acceptable? What is not acceptable? What type of a risk will they take? What type of a risk won't they take? Do they want a smoker? Do they not want a smoker? How much do they want to charge for a smoker? What about somebody that has diabetes? What about somebody that's living with HIV? All of these people can get life insurance. The different life insurance companies decide how much premium they need to charge in order to be able to balance the risk of that person dying prematurely. What does that mean, dying prematurely? As far as I'm concerned, dying is always premature. Who wants to die? Speaking statistically, insurance companies have gathered tens of millions of reports based on people's health and their mortality. And they can say with pretty good certainty, with very reliable certainty, when you're going to die based on these characteristics. These characteristics are part of the life insurance application. When you're telling an insurance agent, I don't smoke, this is my height, this is my weight, I go to the gym, this is my cholesterol, all of this information goes into the insurance company, and the insurance company then decides whether that's a risk they want to take or not. Are they going to be able to make money on that person or not? I always like to joke. Does everyone not agree the insurance companies always seem like they win? I hear that all the time. Oh, the insurance companies, they always find a way to win. Well, if that's true, everybody should buy life insurance right now because you'll never die. Because that's when the insurance company loses, right? Did you know that statistically, anybody can be insured? Anybody. Take the worst case scenario. You have a man standing on a cliff edge. He's got a gun in his hand, a knife in the other hand, and he's ready to jump. Would you want to write that person a life insurance policy? Would any insurance company want to do that? The answer is yes, and here's how. That person, let's say they want to have a $100,000 life insurance policy. The insurance company says, sure, we'll insure you. We want $99,000, and mind you, you probably won't get your check for at least a month. Guess what? The insurance company just made money, because during that 1 month period, they've taken $99,000 and invested it and made a ton of money. If we could put our money where the insurance companies put our money, mind you, we can with certain insurance products, we would be rich beyond our wildest dreams. There's always a life insurance policy for everybody. It just depends on the insurance company and the individual's health and other factors that go along with it. Life insurance companies are rated based on their financial performance. There's a company or an organization called the AM Best. AM Best rates insurance companies based on their ability to pay claims. This in part has to do with how much the insurance company has in reserves. That means, in essence, how much have they got in the bank. If you're watching this, chances are you have some questions about life insurance. I'm here to help. Feel free to reach out to me at www.lifeinsurance.rocks. You can call me, you can text me, whatever you like. I'll answer your questions. Happy to help. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always there. Have a good one.
Brought to you by the Life Insurance Rockstar at www.lifeinsurance.rocks.
Hey, 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 hey. Right, 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 right.